Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing really good. If you have watched our last video, then you must have known that we had gone to visit the Emirates place, and after that the video was getting really long, so we end that video there. But in this video we are going to start from where we left. In that video almost we had explored the whole Emirates palace, so now after that we just left for our next destination, that was the Marina Mall. And we have traveled all our way in here, and here is the mall from outside, Marina Mall, and was pretty big. And when we searched on the web, and this was like one of the malls that the Google suggested, so we thought why not. And also there was a beach just nearby. This was the mall from inside. The escalators were really awesome. Like, I forgot what to call that, but the escalators were really cool. As this was the first time I was seeing these type of escalators. No, like the sides were really cool. There were many floors, and as you can see, like every mall, there's so many different kinds of brands and shops and many different things. We were really hungry from our our whole last destination visit, so we thought why not buy some food in here and go to the top, the top food court area and sit and eat something. We were in the food court area and this was the view. As I told you, we were in the food court, so we were thinking what to eat. But like always, we love KFC. Like me and my Bunu, we love KFC. Who doesn't? So we thought, let's get KFC, and it's the best snacks. We just got a little bit because we also had to take our dinner after a few minutes. So we just got like loaded fries and chicken popcorn. After we were done eating, we explored the mall a little bit more. There were also like gold shops, and they had pretty much nice designs. But like, if you have to buy gold, why buy from here when you have gold souk? Like, we have a lot of gold souk videos, like two only. But more than that, you can just check it out, and gold souk is amazing. Anyways, we then were at the center point of the whole mall. As you can see, this place was like so many trees were there and was really nicely decorated. And this was like a restaurant, and many like Arab people were like having their food over there. It felt like a very famous restaurant. And there was like this kind of, I guess, wedding dressmaking shop, and the dresses were so super cool. Just look how beautiful it is. As I told just right now that we did not order much for snacks because we had to take our dinner. Here it is. We are here for taking our dinner, and we are taking it a bit early. They had also seats outside and inside, but in this much hotness, who is going to sit outside? Like, it's literally, you can't stay outside, it's so hot. Of course, we had to sit inside, and in here they gave and ordered our food. We ordered like a Chinese, not that much Chinese, but like, I don't know even if it's Chinese, but we just call it Chinese. Anyway, let's just get on to the food. So we ordered some noodles, mixed noodles and mixed fried rice with chili fish, chili fish, and we had then like we just took our dinner and we were coming home. Then we suddenly stopped in this shop. It was like a gift store, and we were like, my Bunu was like, I want a showpiece. She wanted one that mini lamp, and then we were like, okay, if you want it. Then we were just stopped there and bought some things. As I told you, she wanted a mini lamp, and this was the lamp she bought. I also bought something, and it's a surprise. Well, you will just get to know. So I bought like a squishy type thing, like I squish it, and they had orbits inside. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Masalama.